Welcome to our comprehensive tutorial on mastering the IELTS writing tasks for both academic and general training tests. In this guide, we'll cover all essential areas in Task 1 to help you succeed in your IELTS exam. Let's start by understanding the structure of the IELTS writing test. There are two tasks, Task 1 and Task 2. For general training candidates, Task 1 involves writing a letter. Understand the different types of letters you might encounter, such as formal, semi-formal, or informal. Familiarize yourself with the purposes and conventions of each type. Practice writing letters with a focus on clarity, tone, and appropriateness. Let's break down the instructions for IELTS General Training Writing Task 1. You have 20 minutes to write a letter that addresses a given situation or request. Your task is to write in a tone and style appropriate to the purpose and recipient of the letter. Pay attention to the bullet points provided and ensure your response meets the requirements. Identify the letter type. Determine whether the letter should be formal, semi-formal, or informal based on the context and recipient. For example, in a formal letter prompt, write a letter to the editor of a newspaper expressing your views on the recent increase in pollution levels in your city. Here, the relationship is considered formal because you are addressing a professional figure, the editor of a newspaper. The editor holds a position of authority and respect within the context of public communication. Therefore, formal language should be employed, addressing the editor by their title, Dear Editor, while maintaining a serious and professional tone, and the focus should be on addressing a societal problem. In a semi-formal letter prompt, you recently attended a conference and want to thank the organizers for the opportunity. Write a letter to express your gratitude. In this case, the relationship is classified as semi-formal because while you are expressing gratitude, which is a formal gesture, the recipients, conference organizers, may not necessarily hold the same level of formality as a newspaper editor. However, the context of the conference and the act of thanking the organizers still require a respectful and appreciative tone, hence the semi-formal designation. So, a mix of formal and informal languages is used, addressing the recipient by first name or title without a last name, Dear Organizer's name, maintaining an appreciative and professional tone, acknowledging a positive experience. In an informal letter prompt, write a letter to your best friend inviting them to a weekend getaway at your beach house. Here, the prompt is informal because it addresses the recipient as your best friend, indicating a close and informal relationship. Additionally, the context of inviting them to a weekend getaway at a beach house suggests a casual and relaxed setting, typical of informal communication between close friends. Therefore, casual language should be utilized, addressing the friend by first name or nickname, friend's name, maintaining a friendly and informal, focusing on a relaxed and enjoyable experience. Time management. Spend around 5 minutes reading and understanding the task prompt. Identify key information such as the purpose of the letter, who it is addressed to, and what you are required to include in your response. Plan your response, outlining the structure of your letter, including the greeting, introduction, main body paragraphs, and conclusion. Decide on the points you want to cover and organize them logically. Aim to spend approximately 10 to 12 minutes writing your letter. I know it's hard, but please practice to do it. Focus on expressing your ideas clearly and coherently. Pay attention to the tone and language appropriate for the recipient. Write in full sentences and paragraphs, using proper punctuation and grammar. Reserve 2 to 3 minutes for reviewing and editing your letter. Check for any spelling or grammatical errors, ensure your sentences are clear and concise, and make any necessary revisions to improve the overall quality of your response.